Hookup is a modernized ashawo. Yes,
Abba,
you
why
see,
they talk like this
because
now?
of the language ashawo, people don't they look am as one dirty something.
now refine
So they
it.
now have to look for a
Rebranding.
name.
All right, my people, you're welcome to UIT
Media.
And make una no forget, my name still remain Umar Farouk Aliyu, and with me
My
now.
name is Fine Chicks.
My
My name no Dogu Terras.
Odogun Terasi. Okay, first, before we go start anything, I want to use this medium to say they appreciate all of una one they follow us for this channel. They help us, they chook mouth for the matter. See, they help us, they follow this channel bumper to bumper. I think make una dey do am. We see they appreciate una very well.
As they hot.
On this episode of Talk Your Own, what we want check out today, the matter we want to talk about now. Hookup.
But me basically, why not they even call am hookup?
Call the lookup.
Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? I don't say
Bad
anything
body
bad.
girl.
with this now. Wetin dey happen? Okay, me for me,
Okay.
hookup no be really something wey we
You they
suppose dey.
support the hookup.
So you need to
Wetin dey
let
happen
people
now?
know whether you dey support that so that they will feel understand.
No, because
Country hard. Country hard basically, and people need to survive.
Okay.
I want me to understand say some people, if no be this hookup thing, if I don't commit suicide based on one or two. But no be say I dey
Is
support.
it being serious right now?
I no dey support anything. Neither am I condemning them. You know be God.
Okay, my people, before we continue again, Odogu tell us don chook mouth say as far as e dey concerned o, hookup no be bad deal depending on the kind of approach wey you give am. We go continue now, but abeg as una dey follow us, make una dey put hand for that comment section dey tell us wetin be your view about hookup. Na bad thing abi na something wey person need to do to survive im way. Right now, make we still dey move. For me for me, my people, if you ask me, you see the idea of hookup has been in existence for long.
Okay.
I no support hookup.
No. You go tell us na in existence.
Yes,
How? In what sense?
how been in existence for hookup because for long rather because you know when
Because
you say
hookup is a modernized ashawo. Yes,
Abba, why they talk like this?
because of the language ashawo, people don't they look am as one dirty something.
they now refine
So they now have to look for a
Rebranding.
name
and rebrand
that
it.
will make it, you understand? So they don't want to see you as a shower, but yes, I do. If you're doing hookup, what are you doing? You are a
They
commercial
hustle.
sales worker
They
now.
hustle.
Also
okay.
in one direction.
Let's
Okay,
know.
just like
Let's
we
know.
hear
Let's
419 and Yahoo.
no.
Now-
But
now- now- now
let's
wetin they try tell us now?
let's hear what he was trying to. He said
Tell us
hookup has
something.
been in existence.
As far as I am concerned, the word hookup has been misused and misinterpreted somehow.
Okay.
Because the word hook up, I think the idea of it or the brain behind it is
Hook
bringing
person and connect.
bringing two people together to meet who probably do not know themselves before from different places. You bring them together and
To do what?
No, I don't want to know what they are doing.
No. I get
I don't
where
want
it's going to. I
Okay.
remember in those days,
Mm.
you know, our parents, these rich guys, you know,
My
My
son
son come
around.
back. They not tell that girl where they fetch water.
That's hook up.
And for village, they get one particular lady where they fetch water for ground.
From
others. They say, my daughter come, oh, my son is
You
back.
understand? That innocent young man will just come back from abroad or wherever, maybe from Lagos or
Let me
you
ask
send
you.
it to you, say, okay, please, my son, you know, he's actually hook up.
With a sexual commitment or with this thing.
Now, where we go need to allow them to tell us that because I be the professional.
I don't understand. What they happen now? Every day.
No, but on a serious note, there is no justification for hookup. To me, hookup is an ashawo.
No,
It
no, they
has
sound like that.
the same thing as you are a commercial sex worker.
But you know say plenty people wey dey into hookup go tell you say na condition na make crayfish bend. In other words, on their own normal clear eyes, they for no go into am.
No.
You know that you dey see that. Are you seeing from that perspective?
We are not asking what are the reasons why people do hook up.
Na him now, we already dey condemn them now. I just dey try justify the fact
Is
say.
hook up a bad thing or a normal thing?
Wait.
That's the question. No, that's the question now.
When you ask, is hookup a bad thing or a normal thing?
Yeah.
The next question wey go come in.
No, let's leave question. Let's talk about answer.
It depends on where you're going to, because you just pointed a different part of hookup. I mean, referring to our parents in those days, whereby they met people, You know, I mean,
Even in church, they do hookup.
they manipulate
Even
their
in
children
church, they do
and all of
hookup.
that.
Yeah.
But that is not. Don't bring it there. That is not the kind of hookup that we're talking about. Of course,
Okay.
you and I know the kind of
Are
hookup.
you specifying hookup? Does
So tell us types of
okay,
hookup.
tell us. Since you are now
No,
professional
okay.
in
At
it.
the end of the day, when I see they fall back to my own angle.
Somehow,
No.
why I was having issue with you is the fact that okay, you are trying to give reasons why people do hookup. Just let us know if it is bad or good, because
Can I
trust
tell
me,
you
I'm
something?
coming. Trust me, every bad thing that people do out there has a reason or motive.
Bad.
We have
bad
somebody
and
who we
good.
have a serious kidnapper today in this country that will give you a reason why he became a kidnapper.
Yes.
But truth must be told that you have reasons why you are doing evil does not mean that evil is right.
You can't compare it
So what
now
makes you
and in
think
those
this
days.
thing is evil?
Eh?
Because no, from
I
what
think
you
we
were
can take it
saying,
out. Mm.
in those days, like our
No,
parents,
he's asking.
it has to come in. It has to be our parents.
And the motive is behind it.
Your papa and your mama, you understand, will be involved. They will, indirectly or
Examine
directly,
all the
you understand.
I think the truth
arrange
is say,
somebody.
the truth is say, I think the issue now is
I think I can break this table. See, on a normal in this hookup now, people are just out there to go and have what we call flexing and oga. They don't have any positive motive.
that's where
towards
I'm
it. You
going
get
to.
it? So like
the difference between then and now, we say, for then,
Yeah.
they were doing it to build, to grow, to
raise
know
a
each
family.
other, to grow a family.
Yes.
But now,
Marriage
now for
purpose.
monetary
monetary purpose.
you understand,
Do you know
money
there
for
are
the
sites?
material aspect
You know
of it.
there are sites. Yeah, there are sites where you go and then you get people like if you
Hook up
want-
straight up.
yes, if
They
you want-
just when I go talk price.
Yes,
if you-
now,
if you
e
want
dey
to,
plenty.
you know now,
Yeah.
you know.
I don't know. Wetin dey worry this guy?
All right, my make you know say we don't leave una for back, we go for front. Make una no forget una see they watch UIT
Media.
You can confirm there are those sites where you
No,
go.
they know this man when they watch me now knows the size.
Make dem kuma tell us.
Matthew,
Tell us
you
those
when they
sites.
watch am. Is
Wetin
it
be
true
the
that
only-
we have some sites
Yes.
that do hookup?
Yes, of course there are. But
No,
we don't
let's
need you
not-
to post those sites because you are encouraging those people who want to go into those things.
No. Let them just attest to it. True, it exists. No, it
Of
doesn't
course.
exist.
Of course.
I'm not talking about you. We don't say you know. All right, my people, I beg make una help us dey chook hand for that comment section. They follow us bumper to bumper because the interaction when they between we and una na be the main thing wey we dey want. And make una no forget, I beg make una dey try to subscribe for this channel so that the ministry go dey move forward. Okay.
But come to think of it, he was trying to say something earlier. You know, hookup. When we're talking about hookup, I mean, what comes to our mind nowadays? Let's be realistic. Hookup. What is going on in our society these days?
Yeah.
You understand? Are there reasons? Are there justifiable reasons for hookup? There's no reasons for any hookup.
See,
He was trying to say that people go into hookup
for various reasons. That's just the truth.
As a result of probably hunger or whatever you can target. But there's no reason to do immoral stuff, or there's no reason to go into
Can I tell you the truth?
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Please do.
As a young guy, as a young lady,
Yeah.
the lady they do immoral things with the boyfriend.
Yes.
Government or anybody don't come out to condemn am.
Why
not they condemn
Are you
am?
talking of one boyfriend or what you do
Ross,
as
so
a
long
work?
as you are not married.
No,
immoral.
No,
I understand what you're saying.
No.
Wait, I want
I'm against it.
I
I
know.
know.
No.
I'm against it too.
Of course, I know you must have dated one or two girlfriends. Or you must have had one or
Why are
two
you personalizing this?
But that's the truth too.
I know you must have had one or two girlfriends. That is where you
yes,
No,
now
you are personalizing this and I'm not too comfortable about it.
if we no condemn say one babe they flex with one guy
hookup is
or even one
condemnable.
babe they
And it's
double
not
date.
just-
No. See, please.
Yes,
Let's be
condemn
sincere with our
hookup.
backup. You can't compare having a single girlfriend or boyfriend to hookup. Do you know what we're talking about? Hookup is something that happens repeatedly. It
Somebody
is a
don't
business.
Somebody don't know.
Apart from being a father, you don't know the
Somebody
person.
just you.
Say wait,
You know,
why
And
you waiting now?
The one person who
bargain
Wetin be
price.
the crime exactly?
the crime.
Crime. I want me to point them out. Now because say they get sexual intercourse with the guys, now be the crime.
See,
I be because they attach money to it.
See, we have.
Why are you confusing me?
No. We have culture.
No, he's actually making a
We
point.
have value.
But I want to know
He has to make
what's the
have
difference? Okay,
moral.
what's the difference between the person where they do hook up and the girl where they go meet in guy or even get double guys? Like where they double date. Some people, some
No, if
girls.
they double date, you're already on that hookup. Just like your own is mini hookup.
Can you define Ashao? What is their
In a
job?
simple time.
I shall get shop now. They go office.
The same thing
No,
as-
okay. The truth is this. The truth is this. For hookup person, some persons, I know they try patronizing now.
No,
Forget
he
it.
know now where
Where?
that one no be anything.
Most hookup ladies
Mm.
get something doing. Some of them are hairdressers. Some of them get.
I think I will cut you right there. There was a content.
Some of them
there
get
was
so
a
many
content I
things
watched
to do.
online, and I saw one guy. He did it. It's actually a comedy, but I think I picked something out of it. He picked up a lady, and the lady came into the house as a not on one night stand. So he was already in the room waiting for the girl to come out, and then they start having fun. So all of us, because the lady saw ring light, and she's a TikToker, she now started doing TikTok. The guy came out and was like, what's the hell? Like, what the hell are you doing? You come here for TikTok, I mean, you come here for this thing. Now he said, no, I'm just, and she was live. So he was like, no, I'm just doing live with my video. He said, tell them, say, now, wait till you come do for here. Now, TikTok, you can't do, I mean, a hookup, you can't do. You understand? So the issue started, this brought me to the fact that, okay, some people actually do something, but they still attach that, what's it called? The hookup,
To meet
whatever
up
it is,
now, to
just meet up
augment,
that.
yes.
You see, so that means automatically hookup is now being seen as an occupation, a means of surviving,
Side hustle.
side hustle.
That's just it.
But it's wrong. Did
That's
you
what
approve
it is.
But did you approve
Hookup
it?
na side hustle to so
So
many
did you
people.
did you appreciate it? That's
So
what we're
for
saying.
Ashawo people, they no get.
Why are you pointing to me?
No. I'm actually surprised at what you're saying because there's no point justifying immorality. You know, to me, it's an immoral act.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's just like you.
But you never answer my question.
Somebody who is.
You never still answer my question.
Somebody who is.
I say you,
prostitute.
that girl. What is the
very-
difference between the girl?
That has several boyfriends.
We could not even talk of several boyfriends.
One that has one or two boyfriends.
One or two boyfriends.
One
where they
boyfriend.
commit stuff.
If you carry
And the
two
person-
join, he's already hooked up.
See,
One
yes,
boyfriend.
it's two different.
Remember that if you want to judge it by the sexual approach,
Oh,
marriage
hold on.
is.
A relationship
Yes.
is different from prostitution.
Now, do you know that
When
there
you're
are some
in a
people?
relationship,
Can I
there's a
tell you?
commitment.
Shey all of us go university.
There's an emotional
Shey all of us go
commitment.
university.
Yes.
We know that even for university days, so many guys and girls we are living together in the name of dating. True, they know say nothing. The relationship or the dating no pass school
But if you
environment.
want to say the truth, you will definitely know that what you are saying now is far different from what we call hookup. True or false? Just answer me.
See, I'm not. We know the difference. We don't already know wetin be hookup. I dey try ask you wetin be the crime? Wetin make hookup bad? Is it the sexual approach of it, or because say money dey involved? I want to know. Make una clear our audience. Wetin make hookup that crime wey una dey come?
Answer, what is commercial sex worker?
Prostitution.
So what you are trying to say in essence now is that hookup is a genuine side hustle, if I get you.
No, it may not be genuine, but na side hustle. Wetin I dey try make you know be say people dey survive on hookup. People dey pay bills not only on of themselves,
Yes, for family.
for family.
Yes.
On hookup.
So can you allow your sister
To do
to
hookup.
go into
Hookup. Or your wife.
as a result of
Hardship.
it may be one situation or the other that she's passing through?
Let me tell you something about individual. You know say that thing wey make Lady A commit suicide fit come to Lady B and Lady B go say as normal thing.
Okay.
You understand? That thing wey come to Lady B wey serious, wey go kill himself. Lady C go say these people na dey craze for normal thing. The thing be say everybody get im elastic limit. E get where e fit push people reach. E get people wey fit take more.
More pressure.
Some persons no fit take. Some people, normal guys, go enter street go rob
You never
because
see
of
that.
two things.
I understand where you're going to, but no dodge away from the question.
Which is very important.
You go allow your sister
do hookup.
let's assume yes she no get that elastic pressure
Absorber.
Okay, all right, my people. Una, thank you very much. Una see they watch UIT
Media.
All right, and today matter I don't see and hookup we talk about. But I beg before this uncle and this auntie go begin talk, I beg. None of us here they support hookup. We are just trying to do what share people's view, because if you go out there, trust me, you have serious views of, as in many views,
Series of views, yes.
series of views. You understand? So that's what we are trying to do here. So it's just like a survey. Don't see me like I support hookup or I did not support hookup. If now what you they do with that, okay. Oh,
We
Alright,
are, we
thank
are
you.
not for.
We are
Neither
not
are we against.
against. So
We just want to hear your opinion.
Yeah. I
You
don't
know.
like that you're loud.
I dey totally against you. My dear is not justified. Yeah? So repent.
All right, thank you
There are
very
many ways
much.
to hustle.
All right, thank you very much once again. I still remember that
All
your
right,
humble
yeah.
brother Omar Farouk Aliu, and with me now. Mm-hmm.
My name now Odogu Terras.
Odogun Terras, the only man when use one side, he support God. Thank you very much. We'll see you.